Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this I'm going to do the Geek benchmark test on the iQOO 9 device on the day 1 of usage. Yes man, this is my day 1 of using this device and I did not install many applications at this moment. Only few benchmark applications I have installed in this iQOO 9 device. So it's the exact variant which I'm trying to use in this video for the demonstration, Snapdragon 888 Plus and 8GB RAM version which I'm trying to use. Let's find out friends what will happen with the single core and the multi-core test scores in the Snapdragon 888 Plus. How much we can actually expect. And the battery percentage is about 49%, and I'm not using any kind of monster mode during this process of demonstration. So let's start the test. Let me need to connect to the Wi-Fi network. So now let me need to start the Geek benchmark test results. Let's see friends how much score we can actually expect in this Snapdragon 888 Plus and the iQOO 9 device. This is my first time doing the testing, so even I'm not sure how much single core and multi-core performance we can get in this device, and I'm gonna be back after some time. So finally friends, we got the score about single core of 1096, you can see, and the multi-core 3286 in the iQOO 9 device, exactly with the Snapdragon 888 Plus chipset. And this is my day 1 of using and without installing any kind of applications at this moment. And it's a quick look at the scores. You can clearly see friends. And that's it friends, thank you for watching and straight up more updates. In case if you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section below. And meanwhile, signing off until then, stay tuned for more updates and bye.